Hey everybody, excuse me for my cold or whatever this is, but I'm super excited because my exploding kittens came in the mail today. So we're gonna open it up and see just how explodey it is. Break the seal. I have a letter opener here. Only the most epic for the most epic things. Let's not stab myself. Even though I'm really good at stuff like that. Alright, that was thrilling. So the seal's done. Oh, whoa, it's all not exploding as I thought it was going to be. So it looks like we got some invoice. Ooh, it's a personalized little comic strip from the oatmeal. It says, "I'm coming for you, Amy. I've journeyed across California looking for you and your fellow Cantrell so that together we may burn." Oh. Thanks for backing our Kickstarter. Awesome. Okay. Black box info. And this is about the Kickstarter, so that's kind of cool. With cats in our hearts and nitroglycerin in our veins, enjoy. Matt, Aylin, and Shay. Oh, the not safe for work deck. Under 18 not allowed. And the actual one. Ooh. And I heard we were all updated to the extra cool box, so it's got a magnet. The taco cat meows. And you got a little litter box, I guess, for taco cat. And we got the rolls. The rolls has its own pocket, near and dear next to Taco Cat. And we got the deck, so cool, and little poopers. Isn't that cool? Awesome. And 2 minutes to learn, 15 minutes to play. Not safe for work deck. Let's stab myself in the face. Or fingernails work just as good. Dun 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 dun. It's taking too long. Booklet. How to play. Awesome. All the things you need to know. We got 2 not safe for work decks. Haha. We got smoke some crack with a baby owl. Release the torture bunnies. Yep. I'm very happy with this. And is there a surprise underneath? Nope. How dare you put a meowy thing in the first box and not in this box. I'm disappointed. Exploding Kittens team. Well, anyway, I'm super excited and congrats on the Kickstarter team. And I hope everyone out there who got their decks either today or soon will enjoy playing.